Welcome, my dear students. Today we'll be discussing further in the topic welding compared to another other processes. Okay, this will be the last session in the unit 1. So, welding when compared to other process, right? So, in the earlier classes had been mentioned welding is being done in the bridges, ships and boilers which were previously riveted. Here if you see in the earlier stages the bridge, if you see the ships were being riveted in the sense the hole is being made in a way in a thickness plate. This thickness the hole is being made with the help of drilling, right? When the drilling is being done, the rivet is being put inside and it is being rigidly holded. Okay, this used to be done with the hard hittings. The rivet is to be formed. Now it is being eliminated because of welding and the time is being enormously reduced. Okay, here where and all we are using bridges, ships and boilers which were previously riveted are now welded. Now they are being welding is being done. Machine tool beds which were earlier casted and now they are fabricated using welding. Earlier had been already mentioned that what is casting, hot metal is being poured to the cope and drag box with the help of runner. Okay, here the tool beds is being manufactured with the help of casting. Okay, now it is being eliminated and the bed is being manufactured with the help of welding. In many fields, welding has replaced riveting and casting processes. Some of the reasons for the same as follows. Why it has been replaced? Let us discuss. Okay, because it is more economical, it is more cheap. If you take castings, the materials is being very costly. Okay, the materials to handle this hot things, where safety was one of the thing. Okay, here in welding there is no much like that. Okay, only the material A and material B has to be welded. Here the material is very economical and is much faster process compared to both casting and riveting. In casting we used to keep that material for cooling itself. It used to take days together, but welding it does not take much time. It cools very faster compared to casting. Okay, it is very economical and is much faster process. Okay, the welding can be done very fastly compared to casting and riveting. So time is very less. Time is being reduced. Okay. Next is fabricated mild steel structures are lighter as compared to cast iron ones. It can the fabrication can be done have more tensile strength rigidity as compared to cast iron ones. Welding can join even dissimilar metals also, right? If this is material A and this is material B, if it is the same metals can also be joined and dissimilar metals can also be joined. If this is another material and this is another metals, both are not same. These metals can also be joined in welding. Okay, this metals is also being joined. Welding can join similar metals and thus it is in a complicated structure depending upon the strength and other criteria. Different metals can also be joined. Going to the next slide. For the same complexity of the component, the design of the welded structure is simpler as compared to that of cast part. If you take the design of the weld, it is very simple. If it has to be butt joint or lap or edge joint, any joint, the design is very simple compared to casting. Standard rolled sections help consider in fabricating different structures of welding. Here if you take in welding, it is more not at all noiseless, being noiseless as compared to riveting. If you take riveting, it is put into the hole and continuously hammered, right, in one end, so the sound is being more. If you take compare with the welding, it is very less. Welding finds extensive use when making modifications, additions or extensions in the hospital buildings. If you take in nowadays in the fabrications of the buildings, they are been using welding. Okay, cost of the pattern making and storing is eliminated. In the casting processes, cope and drag box were being used to make this pattern, and storing it is eliminated. Okay, as compared to casting and riveting, fewer persons are involved in a welding fabrication. If you take casting and riveting, the persons are more, but if you compare in the welding, here only limited persons is being used. Okay, so manpower is being reduced. Welding fabrication involves inventory much less as compared to casting, and since no patterns are involved, the chances of obsolescence are negligible. If you take in a casting, cope box, drag box, and another box, everything is being inventory. It is kept idle. If we not use, it is kept idle. But compared to welding, it is not at all inventory. The part is being come here, the welding is being done, and the part is being sent. Okay, here no inventory is being present. But whereas in the casting process, after the processes, the another material, it will be there only. Okay, because we had been manufactured for only that production part. Okay, going to the next slide. Against riveted constructions, welding fabrication involves less cost of handling. Here the cost of handling is very less compared to welding. Structural shapes not easily obtainable with riveting or casting can be produced very easily with welding without much difficulty. If you wanted to join this part and this part, it is very easy. Okay, with the help of support of jigs and fixtures, it can be done very easily. But compared to riveting, this process plays very wide role in this fabrication processes. Here welding design involves lower cost and is very flexible also. The cost of the machine is very less. It works in the with the help of current, right? So it is very economical. Fabrication by welding saves machining cost involved in the cast parts. It is very saving in nature. Welded pressure vessels are more pressure tight as compared to riveted ones. The pressure vessels or the cylinders where it has been manufactured, it is very tight as compared to riveted joints. It is very stronger. Moreover, pressure tightness, the rivets must be chalked. Okay, going to the next slide. The advantages of welding are, as no hole is required for welding, hence no reduction of area. So structural members are more effectively in taking the load. There is no hole required. So wherever the welding is required, there we are welding, the sound joint is being obtained. In welding, filler plates, gazetted plates, connecting angles, etc. are not used, which leads to reduction overall weight of structure. Since these are all not used, the weight of the material will be very less. Okay, welded joints are more economical as less labor, less material is required. The joints are more economical, the labor is very less, only 2 or 3 persons can do the job, and the material also is required very less, so there is no wastage. The efficiency of welded joint is more than that of the riveted joints. If you differentiate riveted joint and welded, the efficiency of welding joint is more. The welded joints looks better than the bulky riveted and butted joints. If you see the welding riveted joints, it will be like this. If you see the plate of the riveting joints, it will be like this. But when you see the welding, this is welding. Okay, this will be the welding. So it is not bulky. Okay, the speed of fabrication is faster. The speed of welding is faster. Fabrication is faster in comparison with the riveted joints. Compared to that, the speed is very fast in welding. So advantages are, complete rigid joints can be provided with welding process. Full rigid, tight. So no shaking or nothing. Okay, complete rigid joints, very strong joints has been obtained in welding process. The alternation and addition to the existing structure is easy. If you wanted to make any alteration or any addition, it can be easily made to the structure of a welding, and there is no noise is produced during welding processes. As in the case of riveting, if you compare with riveting, the sound is more. Hitting in with the help of hammers, right? The sound is more. But if you see, no noise is produced during the welding process as compared to riveting. The welding process requires less workspace in comparison to riveting. The space required in welding is less. After welding, the material has been sent to the another side. The space has been very less utilized. Any space of joint can be made very easy. Any joint or any space it can be made easy. Going further, the disadvantages of welding are: welding joints are more brittle and therefore their fatigue strength is less than the members joint. So it is more brittle material. Due to uneven heating and cooling of members during welding, the members may distort, resulting in additional stresses. While welding, it should be continuously welded. If it is not welded continuously, uneven heating, the fusing time may change, right? Here it is heated and here it is not heated and here it is heated, and heating and cooling, if it is not uniformly done, the members or the materials may distort, resulting internal stresses in the material. Okay, here so that only we required skilled labor, and very good electricities are required for welding. But if the skilled labor is the only disadvantages. Okay, if the labor is skilled, the welded obtained is very good. If it is not done properly, the joint may get cracked. Okay, no provision for extra expansion and contraction is kept in welded connection, and therefore there is no possibility of cracks. There is a possibility of cracks. Okay, the inspection of welding work is more difficult and costlier than riveting work. If you wanted to inspect the welding, right, it is again there is a destructive process and non-destructive processes. Okay, if you take the non-destructive processes, it is very costly. In non-destructive process there are liquid penetrant testing, ultrasonic testing, right, x-rays. If you wanted to take this test, it is very costly, so that the inspection of welding work is more difficult and costly than compared to riveting work. Okay, defects like internal air pocket, slag inclusion, and incomplete penetration are difficult to detect in welding. Okay, some of the defects which can slag inclusion, the welding is not upright, the it doesn't go for very deeply, penetrate inside, incomplete penetration are very difficult to detect in welding. So these are some of the disadvantages in welding. We'll go further. Skilled labor is required as earlier said, and electricity is also one of the concern. No provision for expansion and contraction is kept in welded connection, and therefore there is more possibility of cracks. Okay, so by this, if the cracks are more, if the cracks are been more in the welded joint, what happens? It breaks into two halves. Okay, so there is no safety. So whenever you produce any part, example ships or aircraft, the welding is being done. If there is any crack, what happens? It leads to accident. By this accident, the loss is more to the industries as well as environment. Okay, we should not lose anything, so we'll have a very good work in the welding area. Okay, by this I'll be ending my session of unit 1. Thanks for watching. If any doubts, you can please clarify. Thank you my dear students. By this the first unit will be completed. I'll be coming with the more MCQs in this unit 1.